In today's video, we're gonna show you how to meal prep. We're gonna do 140 meatballs. So we have a total of 21 pounds of ground beef we're cooking up today. Mom.
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 I'm gonna cut the cheese.
Jen is on a roll. How do you feel?
A roll, boom. It does hurt you. You're just a moron.
I don't feel pain, Jen.
You don't feel much. Here, come on, just put it on the plate and go.
I know what I'm doing.
I got things to do and places to go.
Look what I can do.
Tastes, to be honest with you, it tastes like chalk. It's not gonna burn down, it's not gonna cook properly. I said it was a bad idea.
Carnivore meal prep for the week. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how I meal prep. Jen, myself, Emma, we're gonna meal prep for our entire family. We're a family of 6, and at this very moment, all of us are eating proper human diets. And we're gonna show you how we meal prep, what we buy and what we do. Right now, Emma and I are heading to the grocery store to get some food. Say something.
Let's go.
Say it more excited.
Let's go.
Go.
No.
One of the big staples we have for our meal prep is ground beef, and we're gonna see how much it costs here at Aldi. So we're gonna prep a whole bunch of meatballs, and we're gonna do different flavors, and we're gonna do it with different cheese. So here we got goat cheese, we got Parmesan cheese, we got blue cheese, and we got feta cheese.
$3. How much is the feta cheese?
$1.85. So when you're prepping food, you want to get it in bulk. When you get it in bulk, it's cheaper. So take this for example. This is $5.50 a pound for 2.37 pounds. But now if you go right next to it, you can get this. It's 5.5 pounds. It's only $4.99. Do you need anything else?
Got the goods.
Meal prep, meal prep, meal prep. Oh man, aren't you excited? Are you excited for the meatballs when you have goat cheese meatballs, feta cheese meatballs,
I'm excited to try that. I've never tried
cheddar
goat
cheese
cheese
meatballs. Emma and I are at Walmart. We're gonna get some ground beef and we're gonna cook up 100 meatballs and we're gonna do some carnivore meal prep and we're gonna play the mom game inside Walmart. Are you ready? This is $6 a pound. So it's cheaper at Aldi's. It's $1 cheaper at Aldi's. That's $6 a pound. I think if you get this gigantic tube, oh look at this gigantic tube is
$42.94.
$4.29 a pound. This is 10 pounds. Oh, my arm hurts. We're doing all sorts of types of meatballs, so Emma suggested pepper jack.
I don't know how that would taste.
So I mentioned in Aldi's, you're meal prepping, you want to go big. The bigger you go, the cheaper it is. So at Aldi's, it went from $5.50 down to $5 a pound. But at Walmart, if you get this big, huge 10-pounder, you're at $4.40 a pound. So this is the cheapest I've been able to find per pound. So Emma and I are playing this game called Mom we made up the last time we were here. And here's how the game works. You have to find Mom, so you call her, but it has to gradually get louder each time. So
whoever can do the
I'm gonna start. Here we go. Mom.
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 Mom. I win.
I wasn't done.
You hesitated. I win.
I could still.
Where is she though? Seriously. Should we grab some donuts real quick on the way out?
That's what I was just thinking.
We are gonna do meatballs. We're gonna do Parmesan cheese meatballs, crumbled goat cheese meatballs, blue cheese meatballs, feta, cheddar cheese, and Emma wanted to try this, what is that, Monterey Jack? Pepper jack cheese.
Jack.
We're gonna do bacon meatballs, and we're gonna cook them all up. Are you ready, Jen?
Oh yeah.
Look, I got this good bacon too. How good are you at cooking bacon?
I'm a pro.
You're a pro bacon cook.
Line or straight or anything.
That's the good bacon right there. That's the thick cut bacon.
You just throw it in.
Okay, well, we got the bacon going. Jen turned the oven on 350. These meatballs are gonna take, I would estimate, 20 to 25 minutes. And we got all these cookie sheets. We're gonna do a whole bunch of them.
People are gonna think this is animal abuse. He likes to
What's
go
in here?
You went right in here.
What is this? What is that? You see his... What are you doing?
Watch.
Your little beanie out.
He likes to be in it.
Yeah, but he's never in those alone.
No, yeah.
Only under supervision?
Yes. I'm gonna put the whole darn thing in just because I like cheese.
She's gonna put the whole darn thing in, she said.
I like cheese. And then
And
we're
one
gonna
egg.
add an egg. 1 egg, you reckon?
1 egg, I reckon.
You reckon, huh? I don't know, I think
Get your
so.
hands dirty.
It's gonna be nice and cold.
Meal prep. Batch 1.
I have to say there's nothing in it but cheese and meat, but it smells delicious.
Did you ever have goat cheese, Jen?
I have not.
I've never had goat cheese. And we don't need to put bacon grease on all of it. That's perfect.
Still kind of big, I think, but
We're gonna try to get them nice and uniform. So you got it dialed in, you think, Jen?
I think so.
You fill that just to the top?
Yeah. It doesn't have to be even.
I think we actually have 20 pounds we can work with. We're not stopping. This is a whole day thing. So while Jen's making up all the meatballs,
I'm gonna cut the cheese. Just kidding.
Emma's cutting the cheese. Let
Oh,
it sink
no one's
over here a
gonna
little
laugh.
bit. While Emma's cutting the cheese, let's check in with Baxter. Baxter, what are you doing? You're sleeping? Are you tired? Why are you so tired?
Yes. To make
Parmesan
touch.
meatballs is the first batch. Next up, we're going to be doing goat cheese. Do we want to taste the goat cheese
Yeah.
before?
I think you should.
Maybe just do a few.
Never had goat cheese. I think it's like feta.
It's,
Okay, your hands are dirty. You want me to
Yeah.
feed you?
yeah. I don't know. Just,
It's like feta. Just think feta. A little sour like feta?
yeah.
Maybe just do like 10.
Tastes, to be honest with you, it tastes like chalk.
Tastes like
I
chalk.
don't like
Don't
it.
do a lot of that.
All right, should we move on to the blue cheese then?
Ugh.
We have 2 types of cheddar we can do.
I did not like
Wait,
that
we'll
one.
be jacking.
All right, we're doing blue cheese.
Yeah, we're gonna skip that. I don't. Does anybody like goat cheese? I did not like that.
Blue cheese going in. We need an egg, Jen. Let's put the whole container in. What could possibly go wrong? Oh, this is going to be, oh, this would be good with the bacon. Bacon and blue cheese. Do you think the bacon's almost ready? We got some amazing looking bacon, and the bacon is going to go in. I'm going to do bacon blue cheese crumble. Bacon blue blee blumble.
Wait, what?
Blah blee blue blah blumble.
Ay, ay.
Here we go.
It's all you, dear.
I'm helping.
Don't use all the bacon.
Kerry, just put it on the plate and snip it like I did.
Jen, I
You're
know
making
how
it
to
more
cut
difficult.
bacon.
Put it on the plate. What? You're just. Why are you so putsy?
It's for the video.
Care, come on, just
Let me
put it
do it,
on the
Jen.
plate and go.
I know what I'm doing. Let me
I
do
got
it.
things to do and places to go.
Look what I can do.
Yeah, with the scissors in your hand, that's smart. As Emma's running with the cat in the house.
Okay, so we got bacon and blue cheese crumble in the second batch of meatballs, and Emma's gonna try to eat some raw meat, I guess. What are you doing?
I'm gonna try blue cheese.
Is this your first time?
I actually think it is. I probably had it years ago.
It's an acquired taste.
I'm scared.
Go for it. Just know it's good for your gut.
That's not horrible.
Did you have it with a little piece of bacon? Because I heard crunch in there.
Yeah, I ate bacon.
So then it's not so
Just
bad.
going in for more.
Wow. No, I would think I'd actually eat that.
Your favorite? Jen likes feta. Feta meatballs.
Oh.
And an egg. And here we go.
Geez, maybe you just do it.
Is it going to be good in a meatball?
Maybe we'll just do a little bit. I don't know.
Jen, looking good. We went through the whole 10-pound roll, but we've got more ground beef I got from Aldi. And I would have just gotten 2 10-pound rolls if I know, but now we know for the future. So this is the next one.
Oh boy.
This is 5.5 pounds. For this one, we're going to just do plain meatballs. Jen, this is crazy. Because I'm carnivore, I don't need to wear gloves or anything, so I'm just going to pour a little bit of this grease on here. Oh yeah, that's going to be the bacon grease one.
You gotta stop saying because you're carnivore, because you're actually having people do that. It's because you're an idiot.
Yeah, I had some lady that yelled at me and said her
So please don't say that.
her grandkid thought he was a superhero. If he ate meat, he could.
Gary is an idiot. Please do not do what he does.
I mean, if they're really carnivore, that did not hurt me. I just touched a 400-degree.
Gary, it does hurt you. You're just a moron.
I don't feel pain, Jen.
You don't feel much.
Bacon grease, dig it. We're gonna do cheddar and bacon on the next one. Jen screams at me a lot.
Shut up, Kerry.
Jen's looking at me and she's mad at the way I'm cutting these, right, Jen?
I'm just not looking at you anymore.
You're disappointed is what it is. La 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 la. Bacon's prepped, cheese is prepped. Jen just did plain and now we're doing bacon cheddar. Should I dump it in there? Mm-hmm. Here we go. So we got our Aldi's meat, and this is some Costco meat we got yesterday. So we have a total of 21 pounds of ground beef we're cooking up today. And I'm gonna count. How many do you think we have, Jen?
I don't remember.
There's 24 on there. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31.
We said leave a comment at the end to see how many balls we make.
We're at 94 meatballs and we got 2 more to go. We're gonna far exceed 100 meatballs. In today's video of Homestead How, we cook up over 100 meatballs. Emma, where's my green cup?
Probably in the cabinet.
Let me look. Oh no, it's not, but here's our
What's
Compassionate Carnivore Diet store unscented body butter. What's this used for? Oh, it won't open.
It's open.
Can you open it for me? Today's video is proudly sponsored by, I can't open it.
It's nice and sealed.
Today's video is proudly sponsored by Compassionate Carnivore. There's a special link in the description below. Emma and my daughter Katie started this company and they sell unscented and scented body butter, which is whipped beef tallow. I use it in my hair. Do you see how beautiful my hair is? I use it every single day in my hair. This stuff is incredible. You put it on your finger, rub it in, you put it on your skin, you can put it on your lips. Some people use it for deodorant. You can even eat it. And let me ask you this, when you take your deodorant that you spray on your armpits, would you ever spray that deodorant in your mouth? The answer is, I hope, no. 70% of what you put on your skin ends up in your body. So if you're not willing to eat your deodorant, you shouldn't be putting it in your body. You see this? It's actually pretty good. You can also eat it. If you're putting it on your body, you should be able to eat it. If you're putting any chemical on your body that you're not willing to eat, and I would argue that includes shampoo and conditioner, you shouldn't be putting it on your body. Compassionate Carnivore, 100% natural. Emma and Katie get this from our neighbor, a 6th-generation farmer. You're supporting an American farmer, and you're supporting a small business with my daughters, Katie and Emma. You can get this. I'm telling Emma that she's got to rebrand this as Dapper Dan's Carnivore Hair Gel because I use this in my hair every single morning. My hair's been getting darker. I don't have to put any chemicals in there. I roll out of bed this morning. My hair looks just like this. So check out CompassionateCarnivore.store. Special offer in the description below. Jen, are you sick of making meatballs yet?
A little bit.
You've surpassed 100 meatballs. How does it feel?
What did I win?
You get to work at an Italian restaurant. Congratulations. Jen is on a roll. How do you feel?
A roll, boom.
Jen is on a roll, a meatball roll. Look at all these meatballs she got done. We got one more batch. Last batch, Jen, are you ready? It's gonna be the multi-cheese blend. It's gonna be only cheese. This is probably gonna be one of your favorites that you're gonna eat a lot of, you think?
I think so.
I will add the cheese. I'm doing my part. I'm incorporating the cheese in 3, 2, 1. You want a little Parmesan in there? Yeah, we're gonna add a little Parmesan in there too. Here, we'll put maybe half of this in.
Can you sit? Sit down. Good boy. You want a meatball?
Let me see.
Do you want a little meatball? Do you want your meatball? Oh, yummy. Was that good? Want another meatball? Should we make you little tiny meatballs? Oh.
Look at that meatball. That is the 3-cheese meatball. Parmesan, cheddar, and jack cheese. Right now we're at 138 meatballs. That's 139. Is that the last one?
You can do one more.
All right, so we got 140 meatballs here, and if you break down the cost, including the cheese and the bacon and the little bit of eggs we used and then all of the ground beef, the total cost is 76 cents per meatball. I'm sorry, 74 cents per meatball.
Wow.
So if you have 3 meatballs in a serving, that's $2.80 $2.24, my favorite number, $2.24 a serving. We have 3 cheese meatballs. We've got bacon and cheddar meatballs. We got plain meatballs. We've got feta meatballs. We got blue cheese crumble and bacon. This is going to be the best one. And then the first one we did was Parmesan cheese meatballs. Jen, are you all meatballed out?
I think so.
Now we got to cook these.
Yeah.
And I got another rack. So we have 3 racks. We fit them 2 by 2 side by side. We can actually cook all of these at one time. It should take 20 to 25 minutes. It might take longer with this amount of mass in the oven. Maybe it'll take longer.
I think it's going to take much longer.
And we might run into an issue with grease coming out because these are fatty meatballs. They might get pretty greasy, but we don't care. We're carnivores. We'll figure it out, right? All right, let's do it. We got 3 racks in there, so we should be able to fit all of these in there. Jen said it's probably a bad idea, and she's right, but I'm an idiot.
I said it was a bad idea.
And I'm impatient, so start on the bottom left or whatever.
Yep.
You gotta go hurry because the heat's coming out.
Who thinks it's a bad idea?
We're gonna start a fire, aren't we? All the grease is gonna pour
I
out.
just don't think it's all going to fit properly. You're not going to get enough heat around each one. And these meatballs are going to touch the top.
They fit perfect. Are you excited?
No. This is why bakers don't do it this way.
Well, you do what you want to do. You want to stop there and wait?
I wanted, yep. We'll do it Carrie's way.
Look at all those meatballs.
It's not going to burn down. It's not going to cook properly.
Bye-bye, guys. We'll see you in 3 hours. All right, we're at about 20 minutes. They seem to be cooking, although this one on the bottom, I believe that's the bacon one. It's got a lot of grease going. I think I'm going to just keep letting it go, though. The ones in the middle are clearly not going as quick as the ones on the bottom, Jen. I told you this was a bad idea. 40 seconds remaining. Top is good. Bottom is getting there. The middle is not cooking, so I'm going to pull some of these out, drop some of that grease, and rotate. I think we're just about there. So, of course, Jen was right. It wasn't ideal cooking all of them at the same time. It still worked, but I had to shuffle them around. The tricky part is these are fatty meatballs, so you get a lot of liquid. So I did have to pour some of the fat out in between. I need to see if this is cooked all the way. Oh yeah, perfection. Let's do the first taste test. This is the feta. No, this is the blue cheese bacon crumble. Oh my goodness. It is so good. Look at all those. These look amazing. Oh, I forgot to mention, my favorite by far is the blue cheese crumble and bacon, followed by the cheddar and bacon. You can't lose out with bacon. So in terms of meal prep, what the heck do we do now with 140 meatballs? Well, we're going to take them over here, and Jen's got this vacuum sealer with these vacuum bags, and we're gonna vacuum seal these up and put them in the freezer, and then when we want some, we'll pull some out the night before. And there's a couple ways you can warm them up. I intentionally, you can see I just hit them with a torch. I just do that for fun, but I intentionally undercook these slightly because we're gonna reheat them. You could actually eat them cold, which is pretty good, especially the bacon ones. They're so good cold. So you can eat them cold. I'll actually eat a lot of these cold, but the girls like them warm back up. So you have options. You could put them in the microwave, or if you're like us, you put them in here. You put them in your air fryer. Just a little bit of a temperature for a little while, bring them up to heat, and you should be good to go. So I hope you enjoyed our video. Hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and send this video to a friend. And if you love what I'm doing with Healing Humanity and you love this awesome shirt, look, I'm getting undressed. If you love this awesome shirt I'm wearing right here, Healing Humanity, the power of a proper human diet. People have been loving this shirt. Adam Lacey designed it. Link in the description below. Click on the merch and you can see all of our shirts, everything we're selling, every penny goes towards the dock. And if you like some of our kitchen gadgets, like that air fryer over there, or some of the other kitchen gadgets you saw us use, there's an Amazon link in the description below. Jen just updated it with all of our carnivore products. Our Bluetooth thermometers, our cast iron skillets, you name it. Thanks so much for watching. Beep.